Lendavo is your all-in-one business intelligence, funding readiness, and growth platform, designed to help you clearly understand your business, access capital strategically, and scale with confidence. When you log into Lendavo, your business health dashboard becomes your real-time command center. From one unified view, you can monitor revenue, expenses, cash flow, banking activity, projections, and business valuation, alongside your full business and personal credit reports and proprietary readiness scores. Instead of guessing where you stand or reacting to denials, you see exactly how lenders evaluate your business today. Lendavo goes deeper with its proprietary Funding Ready Score and SBA Readiness Score. These tools analyze your business using real lender and bank underwriting criteria and translate complex approval standards into clear, prioritized action steps. Instead of wondering what's holding you back, you know exactly what to fix, why it matters, and how improving each area strengthens your approval power. As your scores increase, your access to stronger limits and better financing naturally improves. When you're ready to access capital, the Get Capital dashboard becomes your intelligent funding hub. Powered by FundSmart AI, Lendavo analyzes your real-time financial and credit data to match you with funding programs from over 1,000 lenders. Inside the Get Loans and Lines dashboard, you can explore loans and lines of credit aligned with your qualifications, review estimated rates and requirements, and apply strategically. The New Funding Opportunities section keeps you updated as new programs become available to you, so you can log in and instantly see fresh capital options aligned with your profile. And with a secure document vault, your paperwork is always organized and lender-ready, reducing underwriting delays and speeding up approvals. Lendavo also provides a structured path to building strong, independent business credit through the Business Credit Accelerator. With personalized credit-building recommendations, real-time progress tracking through business credit milestones, and on-demand guidance from the Business Credit Mentor AI, you eliminate confusion and build credibility strategically. Every approval strengthens your funding-ready position and reduces reliance on personal guarantees. And growth doesn't stop with funding. Inside the Growth Dashboard, Lendavo combines business wealth warriors, structured training, strategy, and community support with AI Marketer, your built-in marketing strategist that creates a complete annual content, promotion, and advertising roadmap. Instead of hustling without direction, you gain structure, accountability, and a clear execution plan designed to drive predictable growth. Lendavo brings clarity to your financial health, intelligence to your funding journey, and structure to your long-term growth, all in one powerful platform built to help you move forward with confidence.